Welcome to Best RV channel. Nala Mari from Best RV in Torlak. Today we're presenting you the beautiful 2025 Force River Noble 18.3. Now this is a beast mode. What does beast mode is mean? It's mean if you see it sit higher from the ground because it has the Curse independent suspensions with the shock and the springs. It has also the inverter and the solar system. So Noble in general, they give you the beautiful one-piece fiberglass cab with a big window automotive, half diamond plated. We have a full storage, pass-through storage both side, aluminum frame with the Asdel fiberglass. This is the beast mode, which is mean it has the off-road tires and it has the Curse independent suspensions, as you see right there with the shocks. Come with outdoor barbecue grill outside, as well working table, power awning with LED, floodlight, and then in the rear we have the spare tires with the receivers, as well it has the Leopard expandable ladder prep, as well backup camera prep. We have here the nice sofa slide out, all one piece pass through storage in the front. As you see, they have the big slider where they push the sofa and the fridge. So it's very roomy. I have facing me the 32-inch smart TV run off 12 volt. On the beast mode, they come with a big solar system and the 2000-watt inverter. This is a big deal. As well, the beef up axle. So this is a two-seat sofa, also turned to a jackknife sofa. You have a storage, as you see, and you can sleep one kid or two small kids, one big adult, whatever size you have. And then we have a full bed, and it's almost walking bed. It's solid. Sleep two people with no problem. And then you have a nice big view with the roller shade, as you see. Full storage in the front with another storage. You can see here's the grill to go outside with LED light. And then in the kitchens, we have the one deep sink with the three fixture, the waterfall, the cup, and the rinse. Big 32-inch TV, nice microwave, nice counter space, storage cabinet underneath the sink, silverware doors, and then another storage here. And then it comes with a 10.7 cubic foot reefer, 12 volt, solar panel controller, inverter right there, all power, air conditions, and then you have a huge full bathroom with a solid medicine cabinet, toilet. Look how big, huge this closet. I mean, it's amazing, the big closet in the back. And then we have a big standing showers with the skylight and privacy curtain and shower head. This is 18.3, so 18 footers, perfect for small half-ton towable, small SUV, very light, loaded with off-road tire package and the beast mode and the bigger solar and the inverter and load. Come to Best RV and look at the 18.3 beast mode.